Goal! Dude, we ain't even playing FIFA. That must be Maddie. Oh, Tom! Hey! What's up?
Look, I just came to tell you to stay away from Liz. She's my girlfriend. You're well aware of that.
Oh, she's a girlfriend. So?
What do you mean, so?
Have you seen that on her?
Shut up!
Or what? What the?
Goal!
God damn! Say something!
Oh my god! Shit! Ben, what did you do? You killed a man!
Yo, I didn't do
You're
anything.
gonna be in jail!
Chill out.
Jail!
Chill out. Just shut up. Alright? I got this.
Shit! Dead body in this.
Oh no!
Ben! What if he's dead?
Shut up! Don't scare me like that! Okay, it's not. What do you watch? Rajnikant? Who dies like that?
You're right.
What's wrong with you?
I got this, right?
Shit.
Oh.
Chill.
What's up?
Hey Maddie, how's it going?
Oh, not bad. Where's Raju? He in?
Yeah, he's saying, come on.
Hey, Raju. Who's she?
That's my grandma. She likes Xbox a lot, you know. So yeah.
That's a cool grandma.
That is a cool grandma.
Yeah, so does she play too, or?
Sometimes, yeah, she does. She pretends to.
Oh, it's like she's sleeping.
Yeah, no, it's just actually that, you know, she's not the people type, you know what I'm saying.
Oh, okay. Oh, hey, grandma.
I told you, not the people type.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Okay.
Don't take it too hard.
Alright.
So, Maddie,
Mm-hmm.
You wanna play some Xbox?
Sure. What are you guys playing?
We're playing another game, you know. We'll change it.
Alright, cool. I think I'm gonna go get some chips.
Alright. Ben, I told you.
just shut up, man.
This-
we're here.
This is all your fault.
It's alright now.
Some
Shut up.
stupid.
Get into bed. Get into bed.
Ah! Oh, good.
Your chips?
Oh yeah, hey, yeah.
Cool. Where's your brother, Jerry?
Here I am, all lonely and depressed. Her hair was so beautiful, so silky, yet she didn't accept my love for her. Remember Robin's monologue?
I do.
Grade 9?
You played a lovesick man.
What a dude,
This
man!
guy
What a
can act for
dude!
nuts.
Heck yeah!
Hey, shouldn't you be calling Ben and telling him on my way?
Yeah, do that. Hello? Yo, Liz and I are coming over, alright? Bad idea, man. Bad idea. Tom's here and he thinks you're making maskhara with his girlfriend Liz. What? It's a bad idea. Don't come here. Go somewhere else. I can't. There's a network problem. Shh.
What's your plan for summer?
Oh, I'm so excited. I think we're planning to go to Turkey. So, yeah, it's really cool.
How long you'll be there?
Around a week, I think. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Do you think that's enough to like see the place?
Yeah, I think. Well, I don't know much.
Oh, it's just a doorbell, you know. Are you okay?
Shit. No, I'm okay. I'm
Okay.
fine.
More people in this house.
What's up?
Hey Raju, how are you doing?
Ha. I'm fine. I'm fine.
Why'd you look so tense?
Tense? Me? No, I'm not tense. No, I don't look tense.
Where's Ben?
He's upstairs.
Oh, okay.
Guys, have a seat.
Yeah, sure.
I'll just go and call Ben, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Your bro's here. No, relax. Your bro's here.
Handle him.
So what are you gonna do?
Just handle him.
What in God's name are you doing here, man? I couldn't hear you properly. I thought you were talking about Tom. No!
It's alive! Sammy!
Tom, what are you doing here?
So it's grandpa.
Okay, which one of you is Jerry? And how could you, with that rascal?
What? You didn't actually cheat on you?
Oh. So you weren't?
No!
It happens, bro. It happens. How could you stop? It happens, bro. Okay. At last, we can get back to some gaming, man.
Yep, we can score some more goals now.
It's not FIFA, man. Damn, why don't you get us on FIFA?
Okay.
Take that. Oh, excuse me.
Where's my gun? What have you done with it?
Oh my God! Not again! Okay. You know what? Yo, Abe! What's up? Oh, that's Abe. Dude! We ain't playing FIFA.
Where's my girl?
Don't! Not again!